The challenges and opportunities around small cell are quite exact, as a matter of fact. The service provider needs to know where to put the small cell. Once they've identified where to put it, where does the power come from? And the third, how do I connect to it to get it back to the internet? So it's very simple. The opportunities are for a company like JDSU to help the service provider determine exactly where to put the small cell, what kind of small cell it should be.
Right.
Once it's connected, in one move, be able to test the RF, the fiber, and the Ethernet. That's a big opportunity. The value JDSU brings as a network enablement company is we're one of the few companies in the world that can look from the actual user experience all the way back to the core. Our products and services help the service provider deliver a great customer experience anywhere within that network. Some of the key drivers today, biggest drivers today, is the explosion of the number of smart devices that are coming onto the network and the applications that are being written to run on those smart devices. And the combination of those smart devices and those applications is driving a tremendous amount of data. It's volume, variety, and velocity in terms of the data. The service provider is overwhelmed with the amount of data that's being collected. JDSU can help them determine which data is valuable and which data is not so valuable. JDSU is showing a variety of test instruments and solutions today at CTIA to help the service provider identify where the most efficient locations are for their small cells, how to quickly and efficiently connect and diagnose a small cell, and then when the truck driver rolls away and that's just that customer, making sure that customer is having a great experience using their application on their smart mobile device.
So here we're going to show you JDSU's Cell Advisor and RAN Advisor. So with things like small cells, a lot of the issues are around time to revenue and cost to turn up of a small cell. So with our solution like Cell Advisor, you can do one-touch turn-up of a small cell, verifying both RF and fiber, dealing with issues that a lot of small cells have, which is things like interference. So a real simple way of turning up a small cell, turning up quickly. If we move on to, for example, like a RAN Advisor capability, which also runs on tablets and Samsung Galaxies, you can do service testing of the small cell. Really simple way of doing, for example, like an internet connection, a voice call, one touch. You just press the button, does a service test, and verifies a small cell's up and running. And that tests the thing, right the way through front haul and back haul end to end. So with solutions like Cell Advisor and RAN Advisor, you can really bring in small cells into service quickly and within the cost envelope that our service providers require.